Good morning, everybody. Back with the Humvee this morning. Thought I'd give you another little update. We are getting close. We had a little bit of wiring to touch up. That's why the doghouse is flipped over. The emblem for the dash is done. I don't have it yet. We got to carpet the back quarter of the sponsons on the inside. They're not done. Just a lot of little things. We're still waiting on speaker covers for the 6x5s. So, but seats are all mounted, stereo's all in, DVD player's in, dash is in, everything works, everything's wired. Take that back, we're waiting on an amp for the subs. I decided to put a second amp in just to power the subs. I wasn't going to, but I didn't like the way I was splitting things up, so I did. And then we got some breaking news I'm going to bring out later today or this weekend. Stay tuned for that. Talk to you guys later.